Hey there. Today I'm walking you through some standout gift items you can find at Costco from Houdini. I wanted something that's festive, classy, and ready to impress. Gifts that don't feel like last-minute throw-togethers. Let me show you what's trending right now, what you're getting, and what makes each one special. 1. Houdini Gift Wooden Beaded Tray. This one is a real showpiece. It's a wooden tray, beautifully trimmed with beads that give it that artisan, hand-finished vibe. And it's not just for display. It's packed with gourmet treats like crackers, cheeses, and sweets. Basically, you're gifting a party starter. Costco lists it at $58.99, and it looks worth every penny. Houdini Gift Woven Basket, $51 an asket. Now, if you're into cozy and rustic vibes, the Houdini Woven Basket is perfect. It feels warm and organic, great for anyone who appreciates texture and a natural look. Inside, it's filled with similar gourmet goodies you'd expect from a high-end basket. 3. Gourmet Food and Baskets Coffee and Tea Tray. For the coffee and tea lovers, this tray is everything. Inside you'll find premium coffee, teas, biscuits, maybe even a little chocolate to pair with your cup. It's a lighter-sized option, but still feels thoughtful and indulgent. All right, chocolate lovers, this one's for you. The mixed chocolate basket is pure indulgence with an assortment of rich, sweet treats. It's priced around $30.99, and it's the perfect small gift that still makes an impact. Plus, it's compact, so it ships easily or fits right into a bigger gift setup. 5. Houdini Gift Basket Mediterranean Bowl. Next up, the Mediterranean Bowl. This one's packed with savory flavors like olives, crackers, and dips. The bowl itself is reusable, so once the snacks are gone, you've still got a beautiful serving dish. It's practical and delicious. Total win-win. 6. Houdini Holiday Round Bucket, $18.99. And lastly, for a budget-friendly option, the Holiday Round Bucket. It's festive, fun, and still feels special without spending too much. This one's perfect as an add-on gift or for coworkers and friends. So there you have it. 6 gift options that go from premium to affordable, all from Houdini at your local Costco warehouse. Treated right, each one feels way more gifted than just tossed together. Keep in mind, inventory can vary by location, so if you see them, grab them before they're gone. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I'm just getting this section started for you. Thanks for watching, and happy gifting!